pretty much finished now. I went ahead and put all the wiring away. Still got to zip tie these, but all the excess wires that were underneath there are now trimmed down and nice and neat with zip ties. You can see we're at 25.7 volts. That's the back batteries. And we switch to the front batteries, which are these guys right here. And it switches to 24.5 until I hit boost. When I hit boost, it goes to 36. That's right. And then after a few seconds, it goes down to 30, 24. And we switch back to the SLA, and they just run nicely. Beautiful. Our main power is right here. We can just press that and it turns everything off. I put the charging port right here. That goes through here, right here, and it charges. I really need to tidy up these wires. But yeah, that goes there and it'll charge these when plugged in. And when it's turned off, it's not going to let any electricity go through the circuits, so that's good. Now we got to make it look nice with some lights.